Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit your product photos like a professional for Instagram using Lightroom. So if you want to make your product photos look stunning and stand out on Instagram, in this tutorial I'll show you step by step on how you can edit products photos like a pro using Adobe Lightroom on mobile. So what you need to do is just open your photo in Lightroom and then tap on edit, go to the light options, and in here for the contrast increase it to 5. You can see the number at the top, and the highlight, lower it to -10. Shadow increase it to 38, and scroll down again for the whites, lower it to -31. For the black, -11. Now click on color options, and here for the temperature and thin, I'm going to just increase it to only 2, and the vibrance 12, the saturation -6. Now let's go back up and tap on the mix options in here. Now on the LED color, you need to set the saturations to 10 and the luminance 15. Orange, saturation 12, and the luminance -34. On the yellow one, saturation against 12, and the luminance -30, okay, -7. Now on the green one, I'm going to just adjust the saturations to around 13, and the light blue, saturation 12, and the luminance -8. For the blue color, the hue -7, and the saturation 12 and luminance -27. For the purple, saturations 12 and the luminance around -8. Lastly, on the pink, saturations 12 and the luminance -10. Click on done, and now click on the effects, and for the texture I'm going to increase it to around 15, and the clarity around 7. For the dehaze, I'm going to increase it to around 20. Now click on the detail options. For the sharpening, set the amount to 18, and the detail I'm going to increase it to around 50, and the noise rejections, click on noise, increase it to around 17, and the color noise, adjust it to 16, and you are done. So this is the final result. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.